Hello guys, I got this LED strip lights from Amazon. This is 15 meters LED strip lights, and I'm planning to use them as my aquarium lights. I also bought tile board divider to stick LED lights on them. The plastic divider is 96 inches long. I got 3 dividers and each cost me $3.50. I got 2 boxes of these LED strip lights and each cost me $25. I have 2 Husky heavy duty shelving units and they are 72 inches wide each, and each shelving unit has 3 tiers. I needed 144 inches of aquarium lights for each tier. Because I have 3 tiers on my shelving units, I need to multiply this number by 3, and this is 432 inches. 432 inches equals 36 foot. This is how much of LED aquarium lights I needed to buy for my entire fish room. You probably already know that aquarium lights are very expensive, and if you need aquarium lights for your entire room, you're looking to spend a lot of money. These LED strip lights can be a temporary solution, and of course it cannot replace an actual aquarium lights. However, I did notice that some of the common aquarium plants, such as guppy grass, are growing really well with this LED light. As you can see, the installation is very simple. I installed this 144 inches LED strip light in literally 10 minutes. And as you can see, I just remove the paper from the back side of LED strip light and then stick LED strip light to the plastic. I had these 14 inches zip ties in my garage, and I'm gonna be using them to attach the plastic with strip lights to my shelving. I like this plastic divider because it fits 2 LED strip lights perfectly. In total I spent $50 for my LED strip lights. I spent around $10–12 for my plastic dividers, and if you don't have zip ties, you're probably looking for another $6 or $10, but I still think it is very cheap. So what do you guys think? If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.